Hello, hello everyone. So today we are just going to know about the Panda Library. What exactly Panda Library is? So in Python, the Panda Library is the most important library because it is used to analyze the data. Also, it is used to manipulate the data. It helps us to work with table of the data like Excel sheet or database very easily. So this is the way we can use the Panda. And what exactly Panda is? So Panda is the Python library that is simply used to read the data. Either it's in CSV or Excel or database. It is used to clean the data, analyze the data, manipulate the data in large data set as well. And it's very widely we use in data science and machine learning and artificial intelligence, right? So this is the things this is the place where we use the Panda library. Here what we will do, we will try to read the CSV file. So how we will read the CSV file? Right now, to read the CSV file, I put my CSV file inside in my folder where my environment is available. You can see this is the place. Let me show you. This is my VENV means virtual environment. In this virtual environment, you can see this is my file, a CSV file. You can say this is customer dot handle means approx 100 records were there, but right now I removed lots of record. Now you can see approx 1 2 3 4 5 6 columns were there. Let me remove this column as well. And now we see we have a 5 columns. And how many records are there? 101. If we will leave the header, then 100 records are there. Okay, let me save it and try to read that file. Right? I saved it and let's run the application. You can see customer ID, first name, last name, email. And what was here? Customer name, first name, last name, email, amount. Right? Amount is also available, right? 43546. Right? Now let's come to the coding. To read the CSV file is not very tough in Panda. Only need to import the Panda library. So how import the library? First we need to add or install the Panda library in our VS Code. So for install the Panda, you can message me. I can tell you the command. Simply you need to write a one line command here on your terminal and then it will install, right? I already installed, that's why it's a very simple to import that library. Once you install, then you will able to import the library. After that, you need to import numpy that is used to provide array of object, right? And then metaplot library. As in earlier, you can see I was trying to use this library to show the graph. But for here, if you not import these two library, it will okay because we are using only the Panda library to read the data. This library additionally I imported because I installed and I have to use this library in my next videos to add or to show some extra feature which we have to use in our upcoming videos or which we have to learn in path of the AI. That's why I installed. But right now, let me remove this library and run it once again. Yep, let me clear it. Now run it. Yes, you can see. Oh, records are coming as it is. There is no issue. So earlier the library which I was using, there is no need to add the library here. Only import pandas one, and after that pd it means pandas dot read CSV, and the only the location your CSV is there. Only give the location and after that file name and then head and then data dot head. You will able to see the file. Oh, still, if you have any doubt, any issue, you can direct message me. Give me comment. I will try to explain. Thank you.